Hello guys, today we'll be doing problem 1A, which states rain is falling at a rate of 3% per minute. If there is 6 feet of water in the pool, how much water will there be in 9 minutes? So let's write down the formula we'll need to use to solve this problem, which is A equals P 1 plus or minus R, and we have T up here. Okay. So let's plug in what we can into the formula. So since we know rain is falling, which is accumulating, so that will tell us that it will be 1 plus 0.03, not minus. And we also know that the time is 9 minutes, so we could plug that in as well. And finally, it tells us that there is 6 feet of water in the pool, so we'll finally plug that in. Then it'll look like A equals 6 times 1 plus 0.03 to the 9th power. So what we do from here, first we'll do 1.03 to the 9th power in accordance to PEMDAS, because it states that we must do exponents before we can do multiplication. And what we get when we raise 1.03 to the 9th power is 1.304777318 times 6. Now all we have to do is multiply this number by 6, and we get 7.8286391. But we were asked to round this to the nearest 10, so that would just be A equals 7.8. So there will be 7.8 feet of water in 9 minutes. Okay, now we'll be doing problem 1B, which states rain is falling at a rate of 3% per minute. If it has been falling for 11 minutes and there is 7 feet of water now, how much was there originally? First, once again, we're just gonna write the formula. Just A equals P times 1 plus or minus R to the T. Okay. So let's start plugging in. So since rain is falling, which is again accumulating at 3% per minute, we're gonna write 1 plus 0.03. What it also tells us is the time. It tells us it has been falling for 11 minutes, so we'll also plug in 11 for T. Then it finally states there is 7 feet of water now. Now this won't go into our P because that's the principal amount. It'll then go into total amount. So we'll write 7 equals P times 1 plus 0.03 to the 11th power. So our next step will now be to do 1.03 to the 11th power, because once again, according to PEMDAS, you must do exponents before multiplication. So now we want to get P by itself, so we'll divide 1.03 to the 11th on both sides. It will cancel out and become 7 over 1.03 to the 11th power equals P. And once we end up doing this division over here, we'll end up getting 5.056948936 and on. We will then do it to the nearest tenth, which will give us 5, making that the original amount of water there was to begin with 11 minutes before. So I hope this helped you guys in any way for the quiz tomorrow. Good luck.